Hey guys, so back at it again. Here we are on problem C, still in the core activity. We have 5x minus 7 equals 5 minus x. So this time around, like I told you in the previous video, you have two separate equations on either side. If you remember going back to the previous ones, we only had a number on that right side of the equal sign. Now we have another full equation. So this does not change much. Besides the fact that you have now a full equation, but the process is still the same. We're still going to use the table in order to solve this. So right now, I just want you to remember the equation on the left, and that's 5x minus 7. Come over to your graphing calculator. You can delete all that stuff from the previous one. And we're going to type it in here. Y equals 5x minus 7. There we go. Perfect. Let's just make sure that's right. 5x minus 7. Good. So notice I always type in y equals and then the equation. You're going to be doing that every single time. Okay, go back to this tool, same process as before, convert it to a table. And there you go. There's all the values that correspond. Now, for this part, same thing, move over to the other column, and here you're going to type in your other equation. This time you don't have to do y equals, you just type in the equation itself, which is 5 minus x. So in here, you're going to go 5 minus x. And now your job is to see where these two columns equal each other to find your solution. Remember, if you want to change this to an actual line, all you have to do is click on these dots, hold them, and then just click on line right here. And it should highlight it for you. That's just if you want your table to look that way, or sorry, your graph, but it's not very necessary. Now look, you can see where these two cross. Like I said, you'll learn this in a future lesson. That's 2 and 3. X is 2. The solution is x equals 2. And the value where they're equal to each other is at 3. So you can see that on the table as well. Right now we're supposed to be using tables. I'm giving you kind of a little preview of how you're going to use graphs. But if you look at the table, remember we're looking where the second and third column are equal to each other. So this is negative 17 and 7. Nope. Negative 2 and 4. Nope. But right here we see 3 and 3. That's how you identify your solution. You got to look for those matching columns. And then where does this happen? This happens at x equals 2. So to report your answer, once again, take this entire table, copy it into the table section, and then report your solution at x equals 2. So in here, just make sure you write that, x equals 2. And you're done. It's that simple. That's how you use your table to come up with your solution. Now, think back. This time, the solution was visible right away. I didn't have to change the table this time around. We got lucky. It saved us a few steps, but sometimes, like I said, you're going to have to go back in there and change it. So that's how you do this one. We got one more problem to look at, and then after that, I think you guys should feel comfortable going into your homework and trying some of this on your own. So I'll see you guys in the next video.